Hello everyone, William here of Dark County PC Fix, and today I'm going to show you one of the most basic functions of network troubleshooting that you can do. It is called the ping function. Okay, to be able to do this, you have to go to the command prompt, which I'm going to show you 3 different ways, which the last one is probably the most fun, to be able to access the command prompt. Now, the first way to access the command prompt is to right-click right here on the Windows icon, which I'm using Windows 10. This also works on 8 and 8.1. Now 7 below, there is a different way to do this. But you right-click right here, and then right here there is 2 functions that you can do. There is one which is the regular user, and then the other one is an administrator. Now you need a password to use the administrator unless you're actually on an admin account. Okay, for the second way, this is the way that I always use, is I hit Windows S on the keyboard. Now this is for Windows 8.8, 8.1, and Windows 10. Anything below that, you have to use the search function, which is like what I'm doing, but you just hit what you do is you just click. If you're using Windows 7 or XP, you can click right here on the Windows button, on the Start button, and it'll bring up a search function. Type in CMD, just like this, and that will bring up the command prompt. That will usually bring up the command prompt, or you can go through the accessories folder as well. Now for the sake of being more fun, which the last way was more fun, first I'm going to show you how to do this with them. You just right-click it for Run as Administrator, like I was talking about before with the administrator account. Now this way is probably the most fun and is available only in Windows 10. We're going to go ahead and ask Cortana. Okay. As soon as she stops being stubborn. Okay. Fine. We'll close her and work. I'm going to go ahead and close her and reopen her. Look. So, to be able to get to Cortana easy, all you have to do is hit Windows C. Cortana, open up the command prompt, please.
Okay, starting command prompt.
And then that opens up just a regular user account. Now, actually, I just had an idea. I'm going to see if Cortana can open it up as an administrator, just for the sake of interest and my curiosity. Cortana, open up the command prompt as an administrator, please. That did not work. Okay. So, you can only open it up as a regular user. So, for the sake of time, go ahead and do it that way. Alright. Now, back to the regular lesson that I was trying to get before I got sidetracked, is the ping function. Now, what I'm going to do, this is probably the easiest way to test to see if your network's working correctly. So, first thing I'm going to ping, which ping basically sends 4 packets to either a website or an IP address. So, like if I ping google.com, it will the timing, which my connection is not the greatest. I admit that I'm out in the middle of nowhere. So that is Google's IP address that you can ping. That's one way you can test see if your network's working correctly. Now, if this fails, like let's go ahead and ping 1, 2, 3, 4. It will say transmit failed, and then it will show you 4 lost packets right there. Now, if that fails, but if somebody else in the house has an internet connection, one of the best ways to do that, to find out what's going on, is to ping what is called the loopback address. So we're going to ping 127.0.0.1. And this is how you test your network adapter, whether it be wireless or if you're actually hooked in through a wire, through an Ethernet cable. So ping that, and as you can see, mine is just fine. Now if it fails, that means that either 1, your network adapter is disabled, and somehow your computer's not reading it, that is not showing anything in the BIOS, which is the basic input-output system, or you have a faulty network adapter that needs to be replaced. Now, the second option is more common. And that's basically all I wanted to show you today. So, I hope I gave you a plenitude of information. This is my first video, so I'm still getting used to this, so I apologize if I seem like I don't know what I'm doing. I try my best. And hopefully you like this video. Subscribe, tell your friends, and check out my Facebook page as well, Dark County PC Fix. I will have everything posted in the comments below. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you all soon.